Best morning drinks that are often recommended for people with diabetes. 1. Warm water with lemon. A glass of warm water with a bit of lemon helps in detoxification and may aid in weight management, which is beneficial for diabetics. 2. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon is known to improve insulin sensitivity, so brewing cinnamon sticks into tea can help to regulate blood sugar levels. 4. Fenugreek water. Fenugreek seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which can help to control blood sugar. You can soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight and drink the water in the morning. 6. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera has hypoglycemic effects, so drinking a small amount of aloe vera juice on an empty stomach can help to regulate blood sugar. 7. Basil tea. Basil leaves are known for having anti-diabetic properties, so steep fresh basil leaves into a tea to help you in managing blood sugar levels. 8. Green smoothies. You can use green vegetables like kale or spinach with protein powder to make a healthy smoothie. 9. Unsweetened coffee. Drinking coffee might help lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes by improving sugar metabolism over time.